Right, let's do this question. In the following diagram, angle E1 is 150 degrees. DE is equal to DB. It means here DE is equal to DB. And then angle C is 90 degrees. This is angle C, which is 90 degrees. Calculate the size of X. Now we want to find the size of X. So what can we do here? We have angle E2 and angle E1. We can find angle E2 because angle E2 and angle E1 are adjacent angles on a straight line. After finding angle E2, we can find angle B because DE and DB are equal. These are angles opposite equal sides, so angle E2 and angle B are equal. And then using triangle, the big triangle, triangle ABC, we can find the value of X. Okay, let's try to do that. So we're saying angle E2 plus angle E1, which is 150 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. These are adjacent angles on a straight line. It means angle E2 is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. So angle E2 is equal to 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. Right. We're given that DE is equal to DB. So therefore, angle B is equal to angle E2, which is 30 degrees. What's the reason? These are angles opposite equal sides. So triangle DBE is an isosceles triangle. Right, so it means angle B is 30 degrees. So now using our big triangle ABC, using our big triangle ABC, we can find what? We can find X. So we're saying here X plus this X plus the 90 plus 90 degrees plus 30 degrees from B is equal to 180 degrees, since this is sum of angles in triangle. So you have to be careful here. Are you going to subtract 90 and 30 from 180 individually, or you want to combine them? So you can do it like this. You can say X is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. But if you want, you can say X is equal to 180 degrees, then minus, and then you combine the 90 and the 30, minus 90 plus 30 degrees. Please take note of that. If you want to combine these, put them in the bracket, you're adding them there, and then minus outside. So if say 180 minus 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, we get X is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so X is equal to 60 degrees. When given a right angle triangle, let's say we've given this right angle triangle like this, and then this is 90 degrees. And then if this angle is 30 degrees, these two angles, this angle and this angle, are complementary angles always. So it means this angle and this angle add up to 90 degrees. So to get this one, you can just say 90 minus 30, you'll get your angle. Okay. So the acute angles of the right angle triangle are complementary angles. Remember, complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. That's the other thing you can use.